So I just took my sauna tent out of the box, the shipping box, and before I put everything together, I just wanted to show you everything that does come with. Of course, we've got our steamer right here. It does come with a remote control. We've got our steamer tent. We've got a chair. We've got a little mat here. And then we have our tubes and the fittings to go ahead and put all this together. From looking at the instructions, it looks pretty simple. Shouldn't take me long at all. So let's go ahead and I'll put it together and then we'll go over all the features. I've got the frame put up, as you can see. Now I'm going to go ahead and install the tent. Now, one thing important to note is when you have the tent completely unzipped, you'll know what the bottom is because it's a little bit different than everything else. This is all vinyl. This material is completely different. So when you do put this on here, you want to make sure you stretch it nice and tight to go ahead and get all the tubing inside the bottom part. Now that I've done that, I'm ready to go ahead and zip it up. Now that I've finished applying the cover around the frame, I'm going to go ahead and connect the steamer. One thing to note too is that since this is going to be nice and snug, you want to make sure all these connecting rods in here are definitely pushed into the connectors there really good, because if they're too long, it's going to make it harder to put this cover on. Other than that, we're ready to go. The next step is hooking up the steamer. So you're going to hook up this one tube to this little piece right here that's going to go through the tent. And then on the other side, you're going to hook that up to a diffuser. So when you turn this on, you can set it up to 60 minutes and up to 9 levels. Level number 9 is 130 degrees. Right now I've added some water. It's building up steam and it's going to go through this tube. And you want to make sure it's not kinked like that. So we'll go ahead and straighten that out a little bit. And then make sure the tent is up nice and tight so that way you can go ahead and hold that steam in. So this chair does fold out. That way you can go ahead and relax inside the sauna. It does come with a bathroom mat here, non-slip on the bottom. It does have a pocket here on front. This is your window. It is all steamed up inside. I've had the steamer running now for about 15 minutes. Let me go ahead and open it up and I'll just kind of show you some of the steam. It is nice and toasty in there. It's definitely working. I like that the zippers are really nice, and of course there's zippers on the inside, so once you're inside there you can go ahead and open it up. But this definitely steams up really well. There's plenty of room inside to sit there and go ahead and relax and just enjoy the steam. Hope you found this review helpful.